I hate my life because it kept flipping stop recording because I didn't have any space in my freaking Photos app. Stupid freaking. There. Now it's time to make a masterpiece. A masterpiece. Now it's time to put some people in there.
Oh, run, idiots!
Привет, Ви. Ладно, тебе все понятно.
Holy crap, what is she doing?
This isn't what I expected at all! I guess we should,
Alright, I've completely finished my masterpiece. Now, it's time. Alright. Okay. I'm not the best at coding, but actually I would never code. Bro! Get over here, you stupid school bus. Alright. It's time. Whee! No! What the frick? Frick you! Okay, whatever. It is. They keep yapping about the gender reveal. Alright. We'll start middle! Middle. Let's do that again. Okay. Where'd the people go? Oh, I'm stupid. We also make this guy 400. And 400. And 400. Alright, let's. Oh! Bye-bye. Where'd they go? Okay, where'd they go, actually? Whee! Oh! Now that's some good traffic. Four-wheelers. Actually, no, not four-wheeler. Double-decker. I know they're the only one. I don't care. This is about to be some chaos. Chaos. Come on. You got this. Chaos! Oh, flip. I hate this. And then boom!
everything that I've ever praised the Lord. We're surprised with the.
This might be a bad idea, but this guy's gonna get destroyed. Okay. I shall stop singing. No. I was about to say brain rot. I'm stupid. I hate girls, so you will go on the motorcycle and die.
Everything that I felt, praise the Lord. Worship Christ with the
Any last words, girl? Any last ones? She got destroyed. Buildings? There's buildings? I never knew there was buildings in here. Okay, I'm gonna drive this car. Okay, let's do it. Recto. Actually, I want to drive a bike. Bro, I want you get destroyed. You get destroyed. Yeah. Oh, they could just do that. I'm stupid. Okay, motorcycle. Let's do this one. And I will investigate. Oh! I hit a right foot creak. We're going on a journey. Flip. We are going on a journey to the town. Shoot. Okay, whatever. Let's try to make it to the water. Flip. I don't know how to drive a bicycle. I don't know how to drive a freaking motorcycle. Oh, shoot. Oh! Okay, whatever. Let's do it. Alright. Let's go backwards. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Oh my gosh, look at the parts. Flying in the air! Stop it, stop it. I'm sorry, guys. Shoot, stop it. Stop. Okay, whatever. I am bringing you to the water. Alright, buddy. Oh, you want to do that, huh? You want to do that? Oh, I forgot about that one. No. Okay, whatever. I'll see you guys when I get there. Holy, it's flying. What if I get hit? I'm gonna move it to the side. And yes, I've already made a masterpiece over here. I've already made a masterpiece over here. It is not a masterpiece. All right. Wrong one. Wrong one. Boom. Thank you. This is what you will guys be traumatized from for life. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, guys. Anyways, boom! Agua. Psh. Can I still get up? Oh, I did go in the water. Okay, let's see. Where the bus will go. Oh, it's gone. Where'd the bus go? I don't want to drive. I don't want to drive no more. No. Okay. No. Oh. Come on, land it. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Well, the bus is gone. I don't know where they went. Why am I getting dragged away? Oh, I'm not getting dragged. Hold on. Wait, the bus is getting dragged. The bus is getting dragged. Where's the bus getting dragged to, though? I hate this. Whee! Holy, that's a lot of traffic. Anyways, see ya. Whoa. I forgot about these guys. Bro, I hate you. Okay, whatever. Bye-bye, everybody. See ya. Never.